Hello, so we are back, and this time we have a nice HP laptop to fix. This laptop came from a local computer shop, and the problem with this one is brightness off. Brightness of the screen is low. Now let's check this, because brightness is low. Basically, it's no backlight. So I can see the power on here, and I can see the logo, the HP logo. You can see it there. HP logo is here. So basically, we don't have backlight. Now, if you don't have backlight, you have free signal to check on the screens. So I'm not sure if I should go to check on the motherboard or on the screen straight away. But I think I choose to go to the screen. It's very possible to be a screen issue. Not a screen issue, actually a connector problem. Many times you'll see connector problem, or the LED on signal missing, or the dim signal missing. Okay, so let's open the screen. Let's see if we can open this. Oh, plastic clips. Plastic clips, and the screen has screws. But look how the plastic bits are going out from the plastic frame. Now it's tricky. Now you can actually break the screen. You can believe that? And I don't know how to do it. Now you can actually, if you take this out and it's coming out with that plastic cover over the screen, this is insane. You can find out lines on the screen after you take the frame out. Yeah. Let's try to do it on a different way. I mean, I can take the screen out. You know what? Let's take the screen out. Let's take the screen with the hinge out, because this can end up very badly. This screws is open. Okay, so the back cover is coming out. If we are here, let's check the screen. Let's see if we have the screen backlight voltage here. We have the multimeter on screen. Huh? Really? We don't have the backlight voltage? How this is possible? No, the backlight is here. No. The backlight is here. And we have 0. Okay. And before the fuse, we have 0. Oh, wait. So here we have nothing, yeah? Because you can see 2 pins together. That means one side should be the backlight. Or here, you can see 2 pins together, but here I have a chip. And I believe here is the 3.3. Not sure about that. But I can be sure now. No voltage. Nah, probably it's the 3.3. Because I have nothing. No, nothing. So I don't understand. We have 0 volts on the screen connector. Oh, wait. I can tell you 100%. No, actually I can't tell you. Actually, I don't think I can tell you. So even if I'm watching like straight the connector wires, I mean I can't see any red on one side. I can see two blacks here and two whites here. So which is the 19? Probably the two blacks here, because here is a big space. So I believe here is the 19, which has to come through this fuse. Is a fuse or a capacitor? Who knows? Anyway, the truck is going on the other side of the board. So I will say, let's stop for a second. Taking out the screen, let's take out the board and have a look for the 19, the main power rail, which is in our case is the battery. 11.4 volts, so we should have like 11 volts on this connector. Let's take the board out. Oh wow, you can see what I see. Wow, I mean I don't even understand how this laptop is working. So check there, that array is blow up. You can see that black spot. So how this laptop has even picture? Huh? It's black. Let's go and have a look. Wait. Yeah, that's right. This truck is going. It's not going. What do you mean it's going? So have a look here. This is strange. So the screen connector is here, right? And the blow up component is here. The screen connector, the blow up area. It doesn't make sense. I mean, okay, that's the screen connector, and the plus is coming probably here. Here, this is the main power rail. So that's a good question. Why do we don't have voltage here? And what is there blow up? I mean, this is the RTL audio IC. So it's looking bad, but actually what it's exploded is probably a capacitor, right? Or what is that? Let's check with the multimeter. If we have ground on one side, then we have a capacitor. Here is ground, 37 ohms. Okay, it's not ground, sorry. And here is no ground. Wait, this is not a capacitor. This is not a capacitor. So what this is doing here? Ground plus. Okay, so this is a power line. Most likely 19. Let's clean it. I still don't understand what is the connection with our screen backlight. Let's see what it's doing. So what this is doing is providing voltage for audio IC. But oh no, sorry. No, the track is coming here, audio IC, okay, yeah. But this is providing something on the other side of the board. You can see here. So the track is going on the other side of the board. It's not going here. No, it's not going here. It's going here. And don't tell me that's the backlight track. Let's check this with ground. And we have nothing, no reading. Okay, let's see where this is going. So clearly this was a fuse, yeah? So it's going on the other side of the board. And on the other side of the board we have nothing here. Okay, let's find out first, yeah? Let's see what track is that one. So the main power rail is exactly what I said it is here. This is the main power rail. Yeah. And it's going here. Yeah, you can see we have 0 ohms. So here must be 11 volts if it's from the battery and 19 when the charger is plugged in. Now where the other end is going? That's my question. Because it's hard to believe, and I swear it's hard to believe. It's actually is going to the screen on the other side of the... You want to tell me this track is going inside of the motherboard, is going here to the screen connector? No. No. I mean, it's hard to believe because the 19 volts is here. It's exactly where the screen connector it is. Yeah, it's not really point if you have 19 here. It's not really point coming with 19 from here. So then this blow up thingy from what it is. Interesting, right? Let me act as a stupid guy and try to check first if that is the track which is going to the screen, because it will be a very stupid design. Not only very stupid but childish. Nah, it's not coming here. It's not coming here. Okay, so then the next logical question, why do I don't have backlight? Just ignoring the blow up thingy. Why I don't have backlight? Interesting, right? I mean, that's a capacitor or a fuse, this one. This one is a capacitor because here we have ground, here we have plus. Okay, so plus is coming here, right? And from here we have 3 dots, you can see, so this track is going somewhere. So this is going somewhere. And on the other side of the board, on same position, we have this. So where my track is going? One more time. So this track, where is going? It's going here. Yeah, I found it. Yeah, it's no ground. Okay, I found it. It's going here. It's going on those dots. Those 3 dots here. So it's going here. And from here, where is going? Nah, it's not going on the blow up thingy. No. It's not going there. It's not going there. It's going to the 19. Wait. It's making no sense. So this thingy is going to the 19. 0 ohms, you can see. Why I don't have 19 on the first place here? Let me plug the battery. Now let's check one more time. So here and here we have 0. What do you mean? And here. And the battery has no voltage because the charger is not plugged in. Okay, I understand now. We do need the charging port. Let me plug the charger. So plug in the charger, and we do have the charging light. That means everything is fine, yeah? Okay, let's check. Before we are taking out the battery, let's check. So the main power rail is 12.9. Wait, and here we have 19. This is that stupid design with a power supply which is supplying power to the whole motherboard. 3.3, 5 volts. 13 volts. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's that design. Yeah. Lol. So on this battery, the plus wire is on the middle of the connector. So on one side, no voltage. On the other side, no voltage. And on the middle, 12.9. You see, the manufacturer are free to do whatever they want, like stupid things like this one. Did you ever seen, yeah? Did you ever seen a laptop with a plus on the middle of the connector? Because usually they use the plus on one side, 3 pins together on one side, 3 pins together on the other side, which is minus. Minus, plus, something like that. Not this one. This one, the plus is on the middle of the connector. Crazy. There is a reason why they are using plus on one side and minus on the other side. In case you have water damage, the plus and minus are far away from one to the other. This is a HP laptop. So check here, the plus. Look where is the plus. So the plus is next to the minus. So check here. Check here. Plus, minus, next to each other. This is sick. Sick design. Anyway, let's go back to our fault. So let's see, what voltage do we have here? We have 18 volts. Okay, let's unplug the charger. And now we have 12.4. I don't understand, I checked. Yeah, forget about the blow up thingy. We don't know what it is and what it's doing. Okay, now I'm curious. Let's see our blow up component on what power rail it is. It's here, 11.7 volts. Okay, you know what? I don't even want to know where that truck is going. Let's bridge that truck because there was a fuse clearly. Let's bridge it and move forward and see why we don't have brightness. Why we don't have brightness here? Because the voltage is present. I mean, I don't even know. I don't know how can I find where this truck is going. How can I find it? It's going onto the board. Yeah. Flux. And we will be using a proper calibrated fuse, like usual, right? No, I can't solder here because this is welded. Yeah, I can now. Good. Perfect. Now let's use a proper calibrated wire to create a proper calibrated fuse. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect, yeah? Absolutely perfect. Now the surprise will be to have brightness on the screen. That will be a surprise, yeah? So let's see. Let's see what is doing. We don't need a battery, right? We need a screen connector. That's what we need. And the power button is on the keyboard, right? Yeah, keyboard. Good. Now let's plug the charge. And I have 19. And here I have no voltage. Do you think something is shorted? 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let me come with the power supply. 11 volts, yeah, right? Low current. And it is short. It's shorted. It's on the screen. It's on the screen side or what? It's short. So from here plus short. Now let's take out the screen. It's not short. Oh, it is short. Sorry, it is short. Okay, now I'm confused. This board is so confusing, I swear. I mean, I have problems which I don't. I believe here are two different faults with probably no connection one to the other, like no connection at all. But we checked. It was 19, yeah. But before we solder that bridge, before we solder this thingy, let's come with the multimeter. It is short 0 ohms. Our proper calibrated fuse is too calibrated, so I believe we are wrong. Probably here was a capacitor. But it's strange because I did check and there was no ground connection on the other side. You remember? Now let's check one more time. Here is ground. Yeah, you can see it's one track here. It's no, I shorted. I shorted. I can't believe. Let me take out the reflections. I short that. It's my fault. I think it's my fault. Let me focus. Yeah. So I did short that track or not? It was like that, or I shorted myself. This one. Oh, 1 second. I shorted myself or was shorted. No, okay, no. This was a capacitor. No, I think. Oh, I have to be sure. But I remember I checked and was not ground there, right? So I did short that track or not? That's the question. No. No, was like that. No, I didn't short it. Yeah, was grounder, and that was a capacitor. Okay, so basically we waste time because of a coincidence. So that capacitor exploded and the laptop was still working fine. And now we are back on the same point. We have no backlight. Pointless. I can't believe I spent so much time for nothing. I mean, literally nothing. Yeah, that capacitor was faulty on some point and exploded by itself. Plug in the charger and we have light on the charger. Let's plug the keyboard and power up the laptop. Where is the power button? It's not on the keyboard, it's here. Where the power button is not on the keyboard. The power button is here on the board. And the board is coming on. And we are back exactly where we was 34 minutes ago, but we have backlight. What the hell? I mean, it's making no sense. So I make nothing. No, that capacitor was not shorted from before. No, 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 because it's on the main power rail. No, 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 no. You see, this is just another weird job. A proper weird job. No, 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 please. Please, no. I know what you're thinking. No. This capacitor exploded one. Was completely exploded. Was no shorting anything. Because this is on the main power rail. If this will be shorted, the laptop it will not come on. I just shorted like 5 minutes ago. I shorted. And I have a shorted main power rail. So I have to take the bridge out. So no. That capacitor was exploded. Yeah. But we start from 19 volts missing on this connector. We waste time about 20 minutes around this exploded thing for nothing. And now I have voltage, the 19 volts or the main power rail here on the screen connector, and we have backlight. I'm the only one who is having this kind of job. Don't get me wrong, this job is making no sense. I mean, has no logical approach, whatever. No, no, no. Because I know what you think. I know what the people think. No, sorry, you have that shorted capacitor, and because no, that was on the main power rail. This laptop was working. I seen logo on the screen, HP logo on the screen. This board was working. No, 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 no. That exploded thingy, capacitor, to the next audio I see have nothing to do with the screen. No, this job has no logical explanation. We can classify this on X-Files and end of story. I want to check one more time with every connector plugged in. But that doesn't explain the dodginess of the manufacturer using the plus of the battery on the middle of the connector. No, no, no. Doesn't explain that. That's dodgy. Okay, so all wires are connected, right? So the fan is plugged in, everything is plugged in. Battery. The battery is not plugged in. Let's plug the battery. So the battery is plugged in. Let's plug the charger. Now let's test it. Okay. Okay. What about if I take out the charger? If I take out the charger, it's still working. Yeah, so we have no idea what was the problem. We are just happy it's fixed. Weird fault. I mean, I hate those kind of jobs. Yeah, I'll stop now. I'll put back the screen. I'm happy I didn't took the screen out because looks like it's proper stuck there. Okay, we have a customer thingy. Yeah, I'm really sorry. I don't really can explain what happened here, but the laptop is fixed. Doesn't matter if we don't know what was the problem. We fix it, yeah. We can still be called, the proper technician people, yeah. Even if we don't know what's the problem, but we fix it. That's what is important. So I'll say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, like always, and see you on the next one. Bye.